Man, I'm taking you to Makola Market. I'm taking you to Agege Market, KJT, Madina, Agbogboloshe. Man, all this market being gathered together in one place, Jamaica, Kingston. Man, make sure you share this video because this is a beautiful thing you've ever seen on the internet today. And tell a friend and tell a brother that we have our brothers and sisters from Africa in the other side of the world, which is Caribbean. I saw this herbalist in Jamaica. This woman sells only herbal stuff only. Man, look at that. Let's do this, or Kodo.
Antibiotic $100, 150 sugar. Sugar 150, lime and ginger 150. $100, girly, $100.
Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Yes, I'm still in Jamaica, Kingston, yeah. And today I'm here with Tamara.
In Kingston too.
Yeah.
Jamaica.
It is what it is.
15 minutes away from the airport.
Yeah, okay.
We are.
Yeah, so we're heading to Coronation Market, yeah, the biggest market in Jamaica, Kingston, and she's my tour guide today. Okay. Yeah, we can use this for the stew if you want. Yeah. So how's Coronation Market, right?
Yes, Coronation.
Yeah, how is it? How long, like, do you know any history about the market?
The history about Coronation Market that I know of is that where you can get the cheapest food.
Okay.
Fresh ground food in Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's full on a weekend.
Full on the weekend, okay. So the market is the weekend, right?
Yeah, and Thursday is wholesale day.
Oh, okay.
Where other people get prices at a low rate that they can go back to sell.
To sell them, okay.
Right.
Oh, okay. Alright, go on.
Yeah,
hello. Okay, so over here is a joint over here and they sell fresh foodstuffs and vegetable, yeah? You can see? Kingston. I'm from Africa and we have similar stuff over here.
Nigeria?
No, Ghana.
Oh,
Ghana, yeah. So it's like home, you know? Just like home. So fresh stuff, red potatoes, yam.
You can get fresh fruits.
The plantain, everything, banana, everything, yeah?
And the stall open 7 days of the week.
This place, it's called the Star.
Yes, it is. Yes, and it's a minute walk
from your place.
From my place.
Okay, so the Star, okay. Wow. Yeah, so one thing I can say about Jamaica is that, man, Jamaica is just like Ghana, Africa, man. The telephone cables, electric cables, the light, the way of living, man, the same thing. It's though the language that changes, you know? Yeah, so the taxi. Okay.
I'm not afraid to be poor.
You need to visit one day, Africa.
Africa nice people, you love chronic some area of Trenchtown.
Yeah.
You love where we receive Africa, brother. You know, Africa, Jamaica.
Yeah, you need to visit.
Africa, like young people cut off head.
No, it's never true. They will cut off your head. No, it's never true.
No, that's the picture them paint.
Yeah. But it's never true. It's never true. That's like the wrong impression, you know, like wrong thing.
Everybody Africa will come here. Everybody this, everybody that. Watch it.
Same color, see? Same color.
You have a family.
Only the language that changes.
Yes, you have a family, man.
Exactly.
You have a brother.
Africa, you're blending just like if you're not talking, nobody knows.
Exactly, you see that?
Like African.
Yeah.
Because we never start talking about them from a different country a while ago.
Yeah. You see?
Your family?
That's right.
Run by your way. Staying around by your way. Okay.
No, Africa is beautiful, just like here. You see beaches, all those places, nice food.
Motherland, they say in the bread, all of the
Yeah, motherland, yeah, that's how
Boy. DJ nature, Africa wait its creator. Hotter than the equator. You keep the faith, yeah.
So here's downtown Jamaica. I know you've heard about downtown, man. Downtown, Bob Marley have been using that word in the music. Downtown Jamaica. Here's downtown.
Send my soul to the devil. I'm not afraid to be born. Me accept my level. No, me not afraid of all. Now sell my soul to the devil. Now play them game cause the ball wrong wheel. No for sell out, forget album deal. Just to rise and keep a brother in the world. Send me the soul sign.
Ghana, yeah.
Yeah, video me, man.
Yeah, you look like a auntie, you know?
You look like you're auntie.
Yeah.
So why you don't bring me up there?
You wanna go to Africa?
Yeah.
I can take you to Ghana. Oh, okay.
I want to go to Africa. I love Africa.
Yeah, Africa is nice, you know. Africa is nice. Yeah. You have to visit one day.
Yeah. Can I money just spend up there? I love up there, man. I love the people.
We are the same, you know. You're the same.
Yeah.
I used to share better oil that I used to do. Share better oil now. Yeah. My first time in Jamaica. First time, yeah. So over here is a kind of a yard that they don't want any driver to park over here. So as you can see, they've used the pallet and no stopping and no parking sign, just like the KMA and AME, how they do a circle in Kumasi, yeah. So this is the Trenchtown in Jamaica. Okay, they use the civilian bus called the coaster, and the guy in the white shirt is also calling for passengers. That's the mate or the conductor. Okay.
Set my level, don't be no freedom.
$100 market there, so rice, flour, sugar, caramel, high-grade season, the right yes, and a Zap Masters, all meat kind, right yes, so.
Some islands not do no evil, me still a yell conquering lion, I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level, no me no afraid of poor. Now sell me soul.
What's this?
Patty,
okay.
Yeah, it's nice.
$100.
I want one.
You can try one.
Yeah. I want
You want one?
Yeah, so this is Patty, a snack.
Right yes, so here we go, popcorn, your snow cone, right yes, so, right yes, so, right yes, so.
So this is called party, yeah, party after party. So basically it's the meat pie that we have in Ghana, but the only difference is that over here they sell it hot, okay, very hot. Like if you're not careful, you end up burning your tank. It's really hot, really hot, and it's delicious as well. So anytime you come to Jamaica, please try party after party. So this tastes like meat pie. Tastes like meat pie, and very hot. Afternoon snack in Kingston, Jamaica market. $100. And also you'll be hearing them calling $100 because most of the things cost $100, but it's not US $100, it's Jamaican $100, and it's about 8 cedis in the Ghanaian currency or 50 cents in the American currency.
This is just one entrance to the Coronation.
Oh, okay.
There are many different It's really admirable.
Now in Croatian market, vegetables, fresh food stuff.
What's the orange? For 200 and 300. How much is June plum?
But there's no difference between this and Ghana. It's the same thing, no? The same settings, the same kind of lifestyle, everything.
This is the fresh soap or hibiscus flower. It comes fresh
Man, are you feeling the vibe? Man, market day, market time, and that the music at the background is crazy. Man, this will even calm your stress down. Strictly reggae. Hey, I say, Papa, easy. And as you can see, Jamaicans have everything as we have in Ghana. They have everything. But one thing that they don't have is palm oil. They have palm tree or palm fruits in Jamaica, but they don't have palm oil. So my next trip to Jamaica, I'll go with palm oil, then I'll prepare some ampesi. As you can see, we have dashin cocoyam itself, yam, like just name it, potatoes, red potatoes, yellow yam. I say, ampesi. They even have swordfish in Jamaica. Yeah, and the only thing left out is the red oil. And also over here too, anything you buy, they weigh it before they sell it to you. Unlike Ghana, like we've already gathered them, that we know that this is 5 cedis or 10 cedi. There, the amount is there, but they still have to weigh it. A pound, that means 1 pound. Like, yeah, a pound or 1 kilo. Let me put it that way. So when they weigh it before they sell it to you. Yeah, so they have this scale or weighing scale. Some are the digital one or the modern kind of one, and other two is the hanging one. Okay, so they hang it with the chain and everything. Then they put the stuff on it. Then they weigh. I got myself some.
I'm gonna put some tomato.
This is the belly of Coronation.
Okay.
You want one?
Oh,
Cinema, leave!
I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level. No, me not afraid of poor.
The man not video, the man not video.
I'm not afraid to be
Man, one shocking and amazing thing is that I saw this herbalist in Jamaica. This woman sells only herbal stuff only. Man, look at that. Lemongrass, etc. and other leaves. Man, look at that. Hey, I say, oh, Kodo.
To take out this bar.
Okay, take it out. What's it called? Jackie.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit. Okay. This is pineapple. Kind of pineapple taste, yeah. Okay. Wow. Interesting. So jackfruit over here. I'm gonna try this on the way going. Yeah, tangerine, yeah. Big ones. You're gonna come on YouTube. Yeah.
So I'm touring.
You're gonna hide me.
You don't want me to okay?
No, sure. Yeah. I've been there before. I've been to Africa before.
No, I want
You want to visit?
Yeah.
I'll take you to Ghana, you
I don't
know.
want the video if you want to go there.
No, I don't want to go in the video.
Yeah, so I'll take you to Ghana. We have the same thing as the salted fish.
Okay.
Yeah.
from the sheep. Rasta laws of the keep. I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level. No, me not afraid of poor. Now sell my soul to the devil. Well, I know say no one can serve two masters, but either he will hate the one and love the other. He will hold one and despise the other. You cannot serve God and serve money, you know. I know that the Lord will maintain the cause of the afflicted and justice for the poor. For you have been a defense for the helpless and a defense for the needy in distress. For the love of money is the root of all sorts of evil, and somebody longing for it have wandered away from the faith and pierced himself with many spears. Only Emmanuel Selassie, sure, Rastafari. Now sell my soul to the devil. I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level. No, me not afraid of poor. Now sell my soul to the devil. Now flex funny, they try get a foot in. Wrap up the wrap up and the put in the put in. Pile in the sun matcha, going on it. Life of the gun matcha. Now
Yeah, so that's for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Coronation Market in Jamaica. Street market, yeah? The biggest market in Jamaica. Kingston, and man, it's wonderful. Really amazing to see all these things over there. Man, if this is the first time watching, can you subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's do this again. Jamaican Diaries. Okay, with Sindaco. I'm out. Or Kodo.
I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level. No, me not afraid of poor. Now send my soul to the devil. I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level. No, me not afraid of poor. Now sell my soul to the devil. Now play them game cause the ball ground real. No for sell out, forget album deal. Just to rise and keep a brother in the mud. Selling your soul, sign your name in the blood. Camel will go through an eagle before a rich man enter in a Zion. Some highlands now do no evil, but still I yell conquering lion. I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level. No, me not afraid of poor. Now sell my soul to the devil. I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level. No, me not afraid of poor. Now sell my soul to the devil. Girls I sell out for Kentucky 2-piece. Drive new Jeep and a ton brute piece. Whatever you sow, then I eat you reap. Weep you a weep as you're in too deep. Why you want to walk before you creep? Money made you a freak. How you sleep? Time to separate the goat from the sheep. Rasta laws of the keep. I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level. soul to no devil.